There are three bios that get used when we think about our products: bio-based, biodegradable, biological. Bio-based are chemicals that come from plants instead of petroleum, like alkyl polyglucoside, which is a surfactant that we use that comes from plants. So anything that doesn't come from petroleum, essentially, is a bio-based feedstock. And Diversey has been using those since the beginning of the company, going back to carnauba palm wax coming from plants to be able to create floor wax. So we've been using bio-based materials in our feedstocks forever, and we'll continue to use those materials. Then we have biological. So those are very, very similar. It's kind of a subset of bio-based. Those are enzymes and microbes. So we use enzymes in certain applications to be able to chew up soils and make it easier for those soils to be solubilized, dissolved, and washed away. We also do the same thing with bacterial spores. Safe bacteria can go into products like stench and stain digester, and those bacteria can then go into a dirty environment and help chew up the soil and make it easier to clean. And the last of the three bios that we have is biodegradable. And that's an attribute of a product or of a chemical. And what that means is how fast does that chemical break down into the environment after it goes out into wastewater treatment or whatever the fate of that chemical might be. So biodegradable just means how fast will it break down. It's a test that goes over the course of 28 days, and the chemical must degrade significantly over 10 of those 28 days to be considered biodegradable.